It's early morning, a time when most people aren't even awake yet.
You ready, man? Let's go!
But if you work here on the front line, then it's game time. Game time means you need to start with the right tools.
Relay X.
Yep, Relay X. Simple.
What's the status on those pallets? Get ready to move out.
Tools that are powerful, but not complicated. And batteries that actually go all day. So it's easy to up your game.
I need everyone to loading dock 8 now, please.
Necesito a todos al muelle de carga 8 ahora, por favor.
We have material to load with the overhead crane.
Contamos con material para cargar con la grúa superior.
Entendido.
No matter where your teammates are located, everyone gets the next play seamlessly.
Copy that, I'll be there 5:15.
You'll have a strong game plan and instant insights to tell you when to call an audible. If you fumble, you'll have the strength to bounce back. And if the unexpected happens, you'll be ready. And to be at your best, reach your potential, and ultimately come out on top takes an X factor.
Let's wrap it up.
The Relay X Factor.
Good one, man.
See you tomorrow.
Making victory yours, at least until tomorrow. Relay.